Hey guys, what's up? This is King Paul Mics again and welcome back to my vlog. Kamusta yung lahat guys? I hope everyone is doing well, everyone is healthy, everyone is safe against the coronavirus na sobrang ang taas na ng cases ngayon dito sa Philippines, and I hope soon is maayos na, mas mapababa pa natin, ma-flatten natin yung curve para lahat tayo safe. Maraming salamat sa nood ng last video ko, and kung hindi mo pa napanood yung video na yon is nandito siya sa baba, ilalagay ko yung link. Pwede mo rin bisitahin yung channel ko and panoorin pa yung iba ko pang mga video. So in this video is we're going to unbox another exciting Jordan 1 mid shoe. Kung hindi ka fan ng mga mid shoe and baka magdalawang isip ka sa i-unbox natin ngayon. And kung ikaw naman ay avid fan ng mga Jordan 1 mid shoes, sinasabi ko sa'yo, you should have this shoe right away. So ano nga ba yung tinutukoy kong Jordan 1? So yun guys, so just released nitong August 1 is the new Jordan 1 Mid SE Game Royale. So ayun ang i-unbox natin, and guys, tingnan nyo kung bakit ko nagustuhan ang shoes na to. Without further ado, let's unbox the new Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Game Royale. Right here is, eto, hawak ko na ang bago nating Jordan 1, and again, it comes with its classic black Air Jordan Jumpman box. Hindi siya naka-emboss. So, naka-deboss siya, diba? The boss Air Jordan 1 Jumpman logo in gold, and dito rin sa side, and of course, dito sa gilid. And the details of the shoe nandito rin, whereas the official name is the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, and the official colorway is the white Hyper Royale black. So my size, of course, it's 8.5 in US men, and yeah, so here's siyempre sa baba, wow, parang bago yata, I'm not sure, but yeah, naka-deboss din dito sa baba, may mga nakasulat din dito. It says Nike Incorporated 1 Barrowman Drive, Oregon, USA. Mga tagad. So again, syempre, it comes with the paper with number 23 sa taas. And again, from our reseller. So yun nga pala guys, nabili ko ito from a reseller local. And according to the reseller, this pair comes from Singapore. Again, it's J-Mab Sneaks guys. So siya yung isa sa mga trusted reseller ko, or yung mga kinukuha ko ng mga shoes na ina-unbox ko sa vlog na to. You can visit his official Instagram, which is the J-Mab Sneaks. So yeah, siyempre may freebies, which is lagi natin natatanggap yan. And of course, the official shoe, ito na guys. And labas natin isa pa. Alright, so ito na siya guys, the new Jordan 1 Mid SE Game Royale. So yan, tingnan nyo. Okay. So guys, the SRP for this pair is around $125 nung release ng August 1, which is around 6,000 plus. And right now is tingin ko expected na medyo tataas yung value nito because yung nirelease lang recently din na Jordan 1 Mid SE smoke light gray is around $167 na siya, so around 8,000 pesos na ang resale value niya sa stocks.com. And of course, syempre for sure kung sa Philippines yan, mas mataas pa yung resale value. So I think this will be a good buy para sa mga mahilig sa mga mids. So ayun guys, let's go with the details ng ating bagong shoes. Syempre may swoosh pa rin tayo. So what is unique for these shoes is that the toe box ang gamit is nylon until the lace system dito nylon din, which makes this shoe more like elegant and unique. And as well as for the swoosh dito na tumatagos hanggang sa kabilang side, of course nylon pa rin yung ginagamit. Yung mid part na to na white, still they are using still the leather, and as well as dito sa toe box until here, and pati yung white part na to. Ganun din. So, same leather na ginamit. And yung naka-deboss na logo ng Air Jordan Wing, which is I find so very beautiful, and God, ang ganda niya guys. The Hyperreal Blue, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Diba? And of course, isa pa sa mga magandang feature ngayon nito is yung suede. Dito sa likod na part ng shoes is ang ginamit dito is suede. As well as do sa pinaka-color ng shoe, which is light gray, suede as well. So, ayan. And of course, the tongue, black with the Air Jordan Jumpman logo. And the pinaka-sole niya sa loob is, again, the Jumpman logos. I don't know if you see that. And again, the midsole is white and Hyperreal blue sa pinaka outer sole. So what can you say guys? And guys, ayun, maraming salamat. And sa susunod nating video guys, marami pa tayong i-unbox. I have a couple of shoes na naka-line up. I have a couple of shoes na hindi ko pa na-unbox. And I'm excited to share that with you. Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating bagong Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Game Real, comment down below. Kung meron ka na, comment down below anong masasabi mo. Masusunod na araw guys is I'm going to show you again a couple of pair of my shoes na hindi ko pa na-unbox. Like for example, itong paper bag na nandito sa gilid ko. It comes from another reseller na i-unbox ko sa susunod kong video. I have 2 more shoes na i-unbox ko pa din. And abangan nyo yun guys. Alright? Again, maraming salamat for joining me in this video. And kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please don't forget to click the like button and the share button. And kung bago ka sa aking channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking channel. Again guys, kung may gusto kang mapanood sa aking vlog, comment lang kayo sa baba and I'll do my best para ma-feature yan natin sa ating mga susunod na video. Again, this is King Paul Mikes and see you on my next upload.